Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how you can turn off your activity status on Instagram. Now if you're able to see a green dot icon next to your profile, then it means you've turned on or enabled your activity status. So this indicates that you're online and you're active on Instagram as well. Along with this, you can also see other friends or user who is actually active if they've enabled the certain features. Now to begin with, open up or log in into your Instagram account. Also make sure that you have already updated your app. Once the application is completely updated, log in into your Instagram account, tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner. After that, press the tab bar icon from the top, and here you'll be able to find settings and privacy. On settings and privacy page, you need to head over to the section that is how others can interact with you. Under it, click on message and story replies. Once you press on it, it's going to take you to the other interface. Here, go ahead and tap on show activity status. So if you've enabled activity status, then it might have been toggled blue in color, and if you want to disable it, then just toggle the button right in the corner, and as soon as it turns gray or white, it indicates that you've successfully turned off your activity status on Instagram. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.